Hey there YouTubers, this is Dan Strong with Excel VBA is Fun. Welcome back. This is actually part 3, I guess, of our Corn Assessment Sheet series. This is just a follow-up review, really. In the last video, we created a map based off of the Corn Assessor's requirements for a map based on these 3 walking patterns, whether it's going through the cornfields from side to side, or weaving in this sequential pattern, or weaving in this serpentine pattern through the different cornfields. And so we were able to create the map. It looks like this, or similar to that. And then we figured out how to generate that. And then in part 2, we were able to generate an assessment sheet so that he could print this out and basically just, as he's going through the fields, if he wanted to give this corn crop a grade, he would just give it a grade and then give the next one a grade. Anyway, it would print out this sheet that would have it in a vertical manner like this. And we did that for the first pattern, which was, I guess we did serpentine perhaps. Anyway, kind of as a homework assignment for any of you that wanted to, since you knew how to do it. Anyway, one of our viewers, a good friend of mine, Kevin, has actually went ahead and finished up with the sequential pattern and the true sequential patterns. So now this workbook is complete. The user form is complete. It will be available for download. He was kind enough to share what he has done. He's done some really great work. So what we've got here is, let me show you what happens whenever you open the workbook. I'm going to hit Alt F11, double click on this workbook, and just hit F5 to run the script that happens when the workbook opens. So he's got this beautiful splash screen. It's got today's date on it, and it goes away after a few seconds, leading to the actual user form that we need. So let's say we had the range was 4 and the plots were, let's say 4 by 7. So when we click on this, we choose what type of pattern is he going to grade this cornfield on. So if we did a serpentine, as you know, you've probably seen in the videos, when I hit OK, it will generate this. It'll say serpentine, and it will take the serpentine pattern, which is, looks like this. No, like this. Goodness, here it is. Serpentine is going up from 101 all the way to 401, and then 402 down to 102. Anyway, so that's what it brings up this sheet already ready to print out, as well as if you click on the map button, the map is also created in the serpentine manner. Now the great thing about this is he added these nice visual buttons. So if you click on that, it brings it right back up. Let's say we wanted to do a sequential pattern. So the map generated is the same, but when you go to this sheet, which it automatically brings up, it generates this pattern based on the sequential, and it puts the word sequential right here on your report. So all you have to do is fill it out. And again, we'll check out the last pattern, which is true sequential, and you can double check his work. But download this on my Dropbox links if you would, and double check that. And as for the gentleman who needed this report, this is already ready for you, sir. You can use that unless you've already done that yourself. Anyway, anybody wants to check out the VBA behind this coding that the gentleman did, check that out. You can download it and hit Alt F11 and check out the code. So that's all available for download, and just check out the download link on this video's description. Thanks for tuning in, and God bless.